What's up, DS crew? It's your man, Mr. Versace, and we back with another video. Today, what we doing? We going to the auto show right now. Ain't that right? Ain't that right?
Hey guys.
What's the freshman?
So you got?
That's what the freshman?
Anyway, come on, we out. Say hi. Say hey, DS crew. I say say hey, DS crew.
What it do, DS crew? What it do, DS crew?
Nope. Look at the gang. Say gang.
Gang.
Oh, my bad. That's alright. What's up, gang? You know, she look like a detective. Look at the drip.
Why are you doing it rain?
Come on. Is it raining?
No.
Actually, this is the Philadelphia Auto Show 2020. What we doing? I just told him. I said we at the Philadelphia Auto Show 2020.
It's like a Batman
Yeah.
set.
It's like a who?
A Batman set. Like if you're on set.
Nah, you tripping. Hold. What?
Yes, it is. It looks like it, right?
All right, we see y'all when we get in there. You mad? All right, we walking in right now.
With the fam.
You already know.
With the
Yeah, you already know.
You already know. We had the
Or arcade.
Philly car show. You know, over here. You got a Challenger Demon. This is it. That's crazy. Nice green. Let me see. Excuse me. See, that's the name of the cars they play. So
This car, someone's car. The Dodge Demon.
you know how fast this is? Like 100, like 0 to 60 in like 3 seconds. This Fletcher Cox.
This was her last year. This Fletcher Cox, big monster truck. That was her last year. Oh, who this? Yeah. This is Miles Sanders. Where? Yeah, look at Fletcher Cox and Lamborghinis in them.
That is,
Corey Clement.
I don't know what it is. A running back. Like mom.
That's doing Corey Clement's on.
12, 24, you see it right there?
You must just got that joint done. Yeah, that's a Lil Uzi joint. Yeah, that's nice. That's all nice. Look at that joint.
This has a little more yellow.
Weird. Oh, who Bugatti is this?
Let me see Bugatti. Oh, that's probably his too.
Come on, Dad.
You gotta see it this song.
It gotta be him. Yeah. Oh, you tripping.
I would beat Pop.
This boy. Who's doing this? Dang, yo. Look at this. Another one.
Who's hurt?
This.
Bentley.
Slow.
It's Bentley. This. Oh yeah, you see it? It had the Gucci interior. Right here. See it? Yeah, not a demon, doesn't. Shut up. No, it's not. It's no, it's not. It's a Hellcat.
That's a demon.
No, the hell.
No, that's crazy. I don't know about cars or something. This is the Insurgent. If you have my GTA friends.
This is a Rhino GX.
No, this is GTA.
It's a Rhino GX, man.
This is GTA Insurgent, guys. The little armored block of cheese. Oh, yeah, it's, I don't know. USSV. This is like Russian. Is that Russian? And this is his Lamborghini Urus.
Lamborghini Urus.
Yes, I just said Urus. This is Lamborghini Urus. Uzi Gang and Car Effects. Alright. Yes, I am. We're on the Don Cuba bus.
Welcome to Don Cuba's tour bus.
We out?
Oh yeah, Miami.
Oh, snap.
It's crazy. Please.
That's how you feel?
You guys remind me of when, oh, we got a bar back here.
Students are eating away.
Huh?
Eating away.
Where's the bed?
It's crazy.
What?
Nice.
That's like a whole crib in here.
Yeah, I know. I can see
Huh? No. Where the beer at, yo?
Which one to drink? The shower with the drink.
You just sleep in the couch?
What do you want to drink?
I guess so.
Man, that's what when we got the music on that joint.
No, you should see Samara when she was on that set.
What's that?
The way they're
They always recording TikToks.
on Cooper Bus.
I just don't get it. They always recording TikToks. And it's like, I don't get why they're so obsessed with this dancing. Oh, my bad. I mean, dude.
Come on, y'all.
My colors is crazy.
Thank you.
Make sure you check out the rest of it.
Nope.
Mara, what if you would have fell going backwards?
What?
What if you would have fell going backwards?
I would have laughed.
The Ben's usually over there.
Down there.
I know, but usually it's already go this way. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah.
Bruh.
Showing the camera love.
Go with your little brother. There you go, Tony. He's scared. He's just lying. That's a Porsche.
Nope.
You saw it? Yeah. That's top.
Hi, sir. Paparazzi, you can't be near me.
License and registration?
You can't
License
record.
What's the move?
License and
You
registration?
can't record.
What's the move?
Sir,
License and registration? License and registration?
hey, you gotta make a turn.
You lucky I ain't got my keys. If I had my keys, I would have brought my window up on you.
That's okay. Damn, you got a seat back?
Who you?
License and registration?
Who you, bro?
Huh?
You know you?
Who?
Do you know who you are?
You know what kind of car you in?
It's Audi. Thank you.
It's small time, boy.
Huh?
I buy a car like this for my girl.
I don't know that.
A car like this for my girl, Jeremy.
Gucci Mane 2006.
Alright, you got my face.
Bye, Felicia. Kira look like Felicia.
Yo, they always crazy. They always take the front seat. That's you. Oh, you ain't mine?
Yo. Y'all in the ghetto. Ratatata.
Ratatata. How I look?
Ghetto.
Can I get out, please? Because they watching you.
Ratatata.
Ratatata. Excuse me. I look good in this, don't I? I'm gonna need you to.
Man, you jump.
And my name is not jealous.
Look at him. What you doing, cuz?
Coffee.
Huh?
Coffee.
I mean,
Police officer.
your foot can't even hit the pedal, dog.
Talk about my foot being in the pedal.
How?
Okay, it's better.
Can you see over the windshield?
Yeah. Yes.
Come on, guys.
Oh, I don't get it. They have a little 6-foot lifestyle.
All this. I don't know what y'all doing.
Check me out now.
Bruh.
The Wi-Fi.
Look at mommy. See? Are you in there now?
Yes, I am.
Let me see. Get it. Get out. Get out.
Stop it!
Stop. What?
What do you think?
You think I should buy this, John?
Well, it's nice.
We ever got a TV?
Huh?
No, because I'm not always your chauffeur, so it's kind of like, I'll be driving it.
They should get this, Dad.
Get on my face.
They got TV, they got HDMI cord, a USB.
Oh, it's nice.
They're spacious, though.
Yeah, they should get this.
That's it?
No, we got a problem because the luggage.
No, I think you should.
If we was going somewhere, it's no room for no luggage.
Get out my car. Get out. Whoa, not to the BS crew.
Stop saying that.
Not to,
You guys, I'm just joking.
Yeah. Yeah, just call
You ever disrespect my shoulder? Man, that's crazy. They say 300 plus. Damn. Yeah, that joint got one windshield wiper. Yo, why y'all just in every car like y'all balling or something?
I like that screen.
Ballin'.
Let me see. Y'all in the Range Rover. Y'all change the car. How much these cars cost, right? How much these cars cost? How much this car cost? I guess.
80,000.
No.
90,000.
Like,
You in my ear.
100,000.
120,000.
150,000.
120,000.
Who's right, me?
No, 20. No, well, it depends which one. Yeah, we got 100.
That's crazy.
But this one's 79, 80,000. He cheated.
What was that?
It's kind of car.
It's not
Oh.
cheap shit.
Man, he gonna try to say I was wrong. He tried to leave him out.
It was wrong.
Saying that I was off for 1,000.
Well, y'all ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Yeah.
That one's pretty.
2020.
Yeah, how much is that one?
Enough money that you can't afford.
Let's put the house up.
You said what? You ain't put no house up for that shit. Like, that's you right there. Let's see how much it costs. It's only $2,000.
If I could finally take me out on a date.
Hey, we is on a date.
This ain't no date for me.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, okay.
This is a date. Date night out.
Ain't no date over here.
This is our ride.
You can show me what's on that side.
All right. There we go. Ready, Des? Ready? Awesome.
You guys both buckled?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Go. Here we go. Ready? Oh.
This is the Jeep roller coaster.
Oh my gosh.
It's just a very short one.
Yeah, see. How many laps you do today so far?
More than one.
That's crazy, right?
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that big drop again.
Whoa. You know, from over there, it looked like it was nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa, whoa.
You leaning.
It is enough. It's a piece of cake.
How you guys like it?
That was
No,
crazy.
that one over there, the little potholes. Well, not the potholes, like the
Oh,
little.
the little, yeah.
It was like bumpy. Mom, we was shaking in there.
No, when the tire went up and he hit that curve. What's going now? Sanaya, really?
Why you like it?
Right here, just a Kia tell you ride.
It's not that far from my car.
It's way off from your car.
It's not that far.
It's way off. No, it's way
How?
off.
It's really not that far. Besides this.
You ain't got no screen like that.
Well, that's the only thing. Why are they on though?
Because the car ain't on.
Oh, that is.
I know, right? I told you this one is crazy nice, yo.
Yeah, pop out.
Get out. Get out, bro.
I'm about to sit next to him.
Nah, you get out. You get out.
I was trying to catch me a little sugar. That is so pretty.
The 290, John. No, I ain't got no.
Oh, they got a TV on the back? I didn't realize that.
You guys ready? Let's do this. Bet you gonna get a stain on her shirt.
Let's do this like Brutus.
Watch you get a stain on the shirt.
Now, don't say that.
But you is.
I've been doing good actually. I haven't done it in a while. Believe it or not, I haven't done it in a
But
while.
you dirty. You're a dirty
Yo,
John.
mama dirty. I gotta stop saying that. That's nice. I'm sorry, Miss Peanut.
Hey, you said my mom ain't on camera. You snitching?
I'm sorry, Maple Honey.
Oh, dang. That's crazy.
Stay back, please, sir. Paparazzi always follow me. I'm
Y'all groupies. Y'all get in every car.
Oh, yeah, no.
Look at this. You saw it. She can't even get in. She don't know how to do it. Look at that truck. Oh, God. Look at that Lincoln in there. Look at that joint.
DS Crew, this is like his dream fantasy right here. This is his fantasy, y'all. Okay, Daddy.
I'm not the door so nobody else can get in there.
How you feel?
I want nobody coming to the door with me. Not everybody else.
Wow, you know you locking the door, right?
All right. Yeah.
How do you feel? Watch your mouth.
What's up, shorty? What you trying to do?
Nah, this ain't the car light, sorry.
You ain't filming this, John?
Nope, sorry.
You ain't trying to hop in?
Nope, I'm good.
You hop in the back?
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah, look at the sun. Look at my mom.
Oh, you got kids too? Oh, no, I'm definitely leaving.
Yeah, I'm about to drop most of their mom.
I don't like daddies with kids.
Hey, what time is it? You trying to say you don't like good fathers?
Oh, no.
What type of hating stuff is that? No, look at the start. Look at this.
Let's
Look
see
at
if you can afford it.
Look at, yeah, I can afford it. What's up,
And that's a negative.
I'll buy it right now.
That's a negative. I wish you would.
Let me see.
That's a negative.
How much you say?
Negative.
I ain't paying for it.
There you go.
I want to waste my money on it. All right, DS Crew, that was the 2020 Philadelphia Car Show. Comment down below who you think got in the better cars. The girls or the guys?
Gang, gang, gang. Nope.
Anyway, you know what I mean? But you know, you want to see more videos, you know we still around. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, we out.